Hello and welcome to Life Skills. As you can see, we're in my kitchen right now. We're going to do a little cooking. So cooking is an essential life skill, and it's not all that hard, and you can make some delicious stuff like we're going to do today very simply. So how many of you have gone to the grocery store and picked up yourselves a nice rotisserie chicken? They're everywhere around here. All the stores have them. They're inexpensive, and then you enjoy it, and when you're done, you're left with a bunch of bones. Okay, well, we're going to turn this into a delicious chicken carcass soup. Okay, and it's very simple and delicious. Okay, the bones are the part of the animal that have the most flavor, and that's what you make traditional stocks out of. So this will be a bone stock soup. Plus, when you carve up one of these things, there's always some meat left on the bones, and there'll be some chicken meat in the soup as well. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take these bones, break it up, crush it up, put them in your pot. All the bones, all the gelatin that's in there. Okay, you can take a little hot water, rinse that out, get all that good, delicious gelatin and juices in there. Okay. This is Winnie. Dogs are a very useful piece of kitchen equipment. They ensure that you never have to clean up anything that falls on the floor. So they're very helpful to have. Okay. So you got your bones in the pot. The next thing you want is some celery. Okay. And you want the celery and the leaves. Okay. So this is a good use for the top part of the celery. You save the bottom part for celery sticks and other things. So you just want to chop up the top of the celery into like half-inch pieces. Throw all that in the pot. Okay. Next, you want some carrots. Okay. I save myself a lot of time by buying the baby cut carrots. They're already peeled, and you can just cut those in half, stick them in. Again, you want about half-inch pieces. And you really can't put too many carrots or celery in the soup. Okay. They add lots of flavor and nutrition. So go ahead and chop those up. You can see I'm not being terribly precise. It really doesn't matter as long as they're small enough to fit on a spoon. And even if they're not, the carrots get nice and soft and easy to cut with your spoon if you have to. Okay. So next we need an onion. So let me run to my pantry. Grab an onion. Okay. Cut off the ends. Slice it down the middle, and just peel off the skin. And all the skins. So one nice large onion should do it for this. And then I'm just going to cut it in wedges. And then again, make about a 1/2 inch dice. That goes in the pot. Okay, now the pot looks pretty full. Okay, and we haven't even put any water in it. All right, but these vegetables are mostly water. Okay, so as they cook, it will become soupier. Okay. Next, I'm going to add a can of tomatoes, diced tomatoes. Okay. And a couple of bay leaves. 2, 3, whatever. They add a nice flavor. And then we will just add enough water to cover it all. Okay. Push those bay leaves in the water. Put that on the stove, bring it to a boil, turn it down to a simmer, and let it cook as long as you want. Okay. You want to let it cook until all the vegetables are tender, but the longer you let it simmer, the more flavor it'll pull out of those bones, and the tastier it'll be. Okay, so an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, just keep an eye on it and let it simmer slowly. Okay, now when it's done cooking, you warn your family that there's bones in it and serve it. Okay, we like to add some pasta. Okay, so you cook the pasta separately so it doesn't soak up all the soup. We'll usually do rosa marina, okay, also called orzo, okay, or Anthony di Pepe. They're both very small pastas, and you can get them at any grocery store. Very traditional Italian pasta for chicken soup. Okay, we've been simmering for about 2 hours now. So this soup is well finished. You can see the bones have come apart somewhat. It's got a very nice color. Okay, the vegetables are all well cooked. We can take a taste. And it's delicious. So that's how you make chicken carcass soup. Don't let those bones go to waste, and you can have another meal or two out of that rotisserie chicken.